Hi guys, thanks for tuning back in. So we're just going to show you the screens of the Autel tool, which will work on McLaren vehicles. Now in this particular video we're going to focus on the 570S, the Coupe and the Spyder, and just really show you the systems that it will cover within these vehicles. So we've got the tool all set up, ready to go. I know you can see a little bit of reflection in the background there on the screen, so I do apologize about that. But if we click onto manual selection, then what we'll do is it'll show us a list of all the McLarens that it will cover. So we're going to focus on the 570. We've got the Spyder here and the Coupe there. So we'll just go to the Coupe first of all. Let's say as an example, we'll go to the 2020 model. And then we'll go to control unit, because this is what will show us the list of all of the systems that it will cover within this vehicle, okay? So as you see here, we've got the engine control module, the powertrain control module, the electronic stability for the ABS, the occupant restraints for the airbag system, and then a few other systems like the tire pressures, the clusters, the body control, the door modules, the seat modules, steering angle sensor, and then we go on to the next one, and there are a few more modules as well. So let's say you've got a warning light for engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, something like that. Then this tool will allow you to diagnose, reset that, read the fault codes, look at the live data. We can't look at the live data, we can't look at the fault codes because we're not actually plugged into a vehicle at the moment. But like I say, this video is really just to show you these screens and show you what systems it will cover within the 570 Coupe and Spyder vehicles, okay? So those are the systems. Then if we go into the hot functions, it'll show you a few of the, well, they call them hot functions, the service functions. So it'll allow you to do the oil service resets, the electronic parking brake resets, and also throttle recalibration or calibration, okay? So that is the Coupe. What you'll find is that we go into the Spyder, and it'll be exactly the same, but you probably guessed what the one difference will be. We said 2020, didn't we? Okay. So the one difference with the Spyder, obviously it's a convertible, and so we should have access to the convertible roof. There it is, the CRCM, convertible roof control module. So if you've got a problem with the roof system, then this tool will also allow you to diagnose and reset those faults, okay? But I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. It's a fantastic package. And yeah, we'll also pop the email address in there. You'll also see it on this card here. But we'll, if you've got any questions, please do email us. There'll be a lot more information on the listing itself if you click the link in the description. We always have it in stock, so we can dispatch it same day for you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.